What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. So today we're not gonna do any installation. I just want to share and talk about why I haven't been active on Instagram and YouTube as well. Reason being is that my Instagram account has been hacked, and so I haven't done any posting. At the same time, if you have sent me a DM on my Instagram or requested a DM or whatnot, and I haven't responded, it's because my account's been hacked. And then since last week, my account's been posting, investing on Bitcoin, been sending DMs to my followers on my Instagram saying invest in Bitcoin, this and that. And I just want to let you guys know that is not me. And so just be aware of that. And so, because I don't want whatever happened to me happen to you or anybody, because it is frustrating, I'm not gonna lie to you. And so yeah, it's very disappointing and frustrating, because it's like, for me, and obviously not just me but to anybody, I built my Instagram page from the ground to where it is right now. And through Instagram and my YouTube channel, I met a lot of people and became friends with. And then losing that account, and especially with some sponsors, created some business with that as well. And losing that, it's just very frustrating and disappointing. And the reason why and how I got hacked was that one of my friends was hacked, and then I didn't know that his account was hacked, and then he messaged me, and I wasn't really paying attention to whatever that account was saying, since I was working. And then so later that day, I was like just scrolling through it, and then I accidentally clicked on the link, and then I closed it immediately. Then a few minutes later on, I got a notification saying I got logged out from my account, and I tried to log back in, but I wasn't able to. And then when I was trying to retrieve it, trying to revert it, the email and phone number is completely different from my email, my phone number. So I tried to reach out on Instagram, help center, and did all those instructions that they provided, but none of it worked. None of it worked. And I also tried creating a Facebook page that one of my friends suggested, and it took me like 2-3 days, and nothing happened. I didn't get it back. I got a response from Facebook saying, oh, we can't help you because that's Instagram team, yada yada, all this, all that. So they suggested for me to hit up Instagram, and then they gave me their email. However, I've sent that email and I haven't heard anything back. And so earlier today, the scammer or whoever hacked my account sent a message to my friend saying that how much is my account, or how much do I want it for. And then, hold on, there's a cop. So yeah, asking me how much my account is worth to me, and I told him it means a lot to me, since I put all my sweat and blood into it, and then just for him to like hack it like nothing. Like, come on, bro. And then he was asking me, no, he was telling me, I mean, I'm gonna get my account back if I give him $5,000, which is absurd. Don't get me wrong, even if I had the money, I am not gonna give you that. Like, it's just, I don't know, like just talking about it really upsets me, and I just don't know what to say, to be honest. And then my friend told me told that person that, hey, we're just young people. We're like 20, 21, 22, whatever. And then we don't have that type of money. Even if we did, I'm not stupid to give you that money, in my opinion. And so he was like, all right, you can't afford $5,000? Let's do $2,000. We're just like, still, bro, we're students. We're students. And then we don't have that type of money. And then he was saying like, oh, we settled down to $50. And then still, like, it didn't work. So he was just like, no, this and that. So I've been contemplating on making another account, and last week I decided to create a temporary account, but it's a personal account. But for the meantime, while I'm trying to figure out what I'm gonna do and how to get back from this setback, so I'm just gonna, if you guys need any help or any sort of help or questions, you could just DM me on the new Instagram, the temporary Instagram that I created. I'll drop the link down by the description box below, and so you guys could just like send me DMs, questions over there. I'll do my best to get back to you guys as soon as I can, and I'll figure out what I'm gonna do. How am I gonna recreate 10th Gen Ace? And I don't know. It's very, very frustrating. Like, I really have no words for it. So, being that said, it's not my usual what do you call it? It's not my usual video that I produce on this channel, but I just want to put this out there to keep everyone aware of what happened to me, so you could avoid it, so it doesn't happen to you or anybody that you know. So go follow my new Instagram, and if anything that changes, if I create another page for the car itself, I would let you guys know via YouTube, or I'm gonna post it on my story on Instagram, and then we'll go from there. Subscribe to your boy, and let's get into 1,000 subscribers. I really appreciate you guys subscribing to my channel. Thank you so much. And so I know this is a major setback for me, but we'll get back to it. That's pretty much it, guys. Once again, share this video, and subscribe to your boy, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.